Since 1975, Nashville Door has been Nashville's leading provider of commercial door installation and service. We offer a full range of solutions to meet your needs, including complete storefronts with manual, automatic, and revolving doors. At Nashville Door, we service, install, and stock a wide variety of products such as hollow metal doors and frames, door closers, fire exit hardware, commercial lever lock sets, hinges, thresholds, and weather stripping. If you need a complete door package today, we've got you covered. Nashville Door works well in all environments, from hotels to hospitals. No matter where your business is located, we're committed to providing tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. To meet your requirements, our sales team ensures fast, nationwide shipping of top-quality products from trusted suppliers. At Nashville Door, we take pride in delivering outstanding customer service. Our team is dedicated to professionalism, efficiency, and exceeding expectations no matter the size of the project. Nashville Door is just a call or email away. Visit our website, call, or email us to learn more.